further containment measures will be followed. Subsequently and pursuant to Rule 3 of the Public Health COVID-19 Restriction of Movement of Persons and Related Measures, Rules 2020, Legal Notice 50, the Ministries of Health and that of Interior Coordination of National Government have directed as follows. There shall be cessation of movement in and out of Eastleigh area of Nairobi with effect from today, the 6th of May 2020 at 7 p.m. for the next 15 days. There shall be cessation of movement in the area known as Old Town in Mombasa with effect from today, the 6th of May at 7 p.m. for the next 15 days. There will be closure of any markets, any restaurants and eateries within those two areas. That is, the area of Eastleigh in Nairobi and Old Town in Mombasa with effect from 6 May 2020 at 7 p.m. for the next 15 days. Further, the government has also said that the cost of targeting testing and quarantine and government quarantine facilities shall be met by the government. Kenyans should therefore forthwith not be afraid. Let me repeat that. Effective today, government quarantine facilities will be occupied by those told to do so by the Ministry of Health. Will be given that facility free of charge. This is to facilitate those who may feel that they do not want to go for testing because of the cost of quarantine. That is no longer the case. These measures are not intended to punish anybody in those affected areas. Rather, these measures are supposed to protect those in those areas who may get the disease from movement of persons. Now, let me explain what that means. It therefore means that movement within those areas, when you are going to buy something, when you are going to unnecessary outing for a few people, if you are going to shop, then you can do so. What you cannot do is to leave the area to go to another area. And this will be clarified, the specific geographical locations will be clarified in the order by the Ministry of Interior Coordination and National Interior